I think we need to travel to Serbia right now. Yes, it's important we travel to Serbia right now because for the past 10 months, Serbia has witnessed protests on the street of Serbia for the past 10 months straight. Yes, and the first set of protesters on the street of Serbia are calling on the government of Serbia President Alexander Vucic to resign. This set of protesters are called the anti-protesters. They are on the street of Serbia protesting for the government of Alexander Vucic to resign. But instead of that to be attained, instead of the president of Serbia to address that, we have a new set of protesters on the street of Serbia protesting. And this group, this set, are the pro-government protesters. Now, they are calling on the anti-government protesters to stop the protest because of the chaos these anti-government protesters have caused. This is Africa. This is my continent. I don't want to mention any country name in Africa, but this is my continent. Two set of protesters on the street of Serbia protesting. First, the anti-government protesting against the government of Alexander Vucic, calling on the government of Alexander Vucic to resign for a new government to take place, and a new set of protesters joining and protesting against the first set, which is the anti-government. So two set of protesters protesting in Serbia, and as normal and as expected, series of clashes, and the government of Alexander Vucic is cracking down on these protesters. Police are using tear gas and every other means to disperse these protesters from the street of Serbia, as if we are coming to an end of the protest. Another new set of protesters broke out, and this group, this set, are protesting against the police violence on the protesters. So, two sets of protesters on the street of Serbia. First, the anti-government protesters. Second, the pro-government protesters. And third, the group protesting against the police violence on the protesters. This is my continent. So, right now, Serbia is witnessing an intense uproar. So, we'll keep you posted and keep you updated on every single development concerning Serbia, and we bring it to you on this platform. Keep it locked down here, so your host, Lost James. Peace and love.